Most Axyz machines can be specified with a variety of different head and carriage configurations. Depending on the application, the machine may have multiple carriages, multiple Z-axes, or a combination of both. One of the most popular configurations is a twin Z setup, which can accommodate two tools on a single carriage. Using two routing spindles is perfect for cutting jobs requiring two different tools. For example, drilling holes and then profile cutting. Tool changeover time is very fast to give maximum productivity. The two tools do not have to be of the same type. Another popular configuration is to have one knife tool and one routing spindle. This is a highly versatile solution and is ideal for cutting a wide range of different materials. It is also very easy to switch heads when required. For example, a machine may be configured with two routing spindles for most of the time, but may occasionally be required to cut softer materials with a tangential knife. It takes only a few minutes to reconfigure the machine. To add even more flexibility, a twin head machine can also be fitted with an automatic tool changer for the ultimate in productivity.